Hi, welcome to my channel. Hope you're having a good day. I'm doing really well. Today we're going to go over Ipsy Original, also known as the Glam Bag, along with some add-ons that I got. So I've already seen the bag for this month, and I think it's very, very pretty. It's got a fancy little paisley pull, whatever you call those things. Let me just make sure everything's out of here. Okay, so let's take everything out. I feel like I'm missing something. I think this is it. Yeah. Okay. So I have 6 products. This one was an extra. It's not on my card. It's not anywhere, so I don't know where it came from. Again, here's the bag, nice and flat. Very pretty. I love it. Looks like it could be a scarf if it wasn't a bag. So first on the list is Rated Green Cold Brew Rosemary Balancing Scalp Mask with Charcoal. And I don't know, I might be able to get a couple uses out of this. I've never done a scalp mask, so that would be interesting. It says, take your scalp to a new level of fresh and clean comfort with this luxury head spa treatment. Containing the cold brew organic rosemary juice and carefully selected botanical ingredients. This charcoal added balancing scalp pack provides rich nutrients to leave your oily scalp perfectly balanced and revitalized, and hair feeling light and soft. Nice. I think I will try that. Next, we have Pistachio Skincare Pistachio Body Butter. Oh, and the cost of the mask was $3. And so now we have pistachio body butter infused with California pistachio oil and blue-green algae. This rich butter melts into deeply hydrate from within. It leaves skin unbelievably soft while wrapping you in the sweet aroma of pistachio biscotti. This is a deluxe sample, and a full-size version of it, which is about 8 ounces, would be $28. So here's the deluxe sample, or deluxe mini, whatever they're calling it, deluxe sample. Curious. Oh, I can smell a little bit, yeah. It doesn't smell bad. So that's that. Next we have Earth Harbor Glow Juice 10 Acid Refining Peel. So this is a travel size. I'll open it up. So this is what it looks like. Holy crap. It's like a liquid jelly. I'm afraid to tip it. It's like Jell-O. It's even on the cap. Yikes. I don't want to mess with that. It says, get smoother, more radiant skin in minutes. No downtime required. This lightweight gel peel refines texture, brightens your complexion, and minimizes the look of pores while keeping them calm. So this is a travel size, and it says it's $23. I'm going to have to try this because it looks like it's cooling for one thing. It says, let Glow Juice work its magic for as long as you wear it, as long as you like. Wear it overnight or run errands as it's clear and discreet. Well, that's interesting. I definitely want to try it. I feel like it's leaking. Yeah, there's something wet on my hand, my fingers. So we won't put that anyway, but straight up. Next we have Milani Cosmetics Fruit Fetish Lip Oil in Lychee Nectar. And this is a full size. There you should be able to see Milani. Gloss up with a swipe that kisses lips in sheer mauve pink color, plus custom blended fruit extracts and nourishing vitamin E. This rich hydrating oil cushions your palate while adding playful shine. So this is a regular size, and it's $13. I have lipstick on. Yeah, it's too dark. That's how dark it is. Yuck. And then I'm going to swipe that off. And then we have, is it this? Bisha, the Essential City palette. And it says, let's try that again. Meet your shortcut to sculpted radiant skin. This palette's trio consists of a numerous champagne pink, a soft dusty rose pink, and a warm terracotta buildable color that means you're in control from subtle to statement. And this has a retail value of $48, which I don't think that's right. There's what it looks like. And the colors are, let me see, I'll show you. That's what they look like. And so this one is Miami, this one is West LA, and this one is Chicago. That's how they're named in the on the back of the container. And so honestly, I don't know, I got an extra product. I don't know if I paid for this or like, I don't know, but it's called Elemis Superfood Facial Oil, Hydrating Face Oil. It says, this lightweight facial oil replenishes and hydrates, leaves the skin feeling supple and smooth, promoting a radiant glow. You know, anything Elemis is going to be good. This is another one I don't want to have sitting down. You gotta take the whole kit. So there is Elemis Superfood facial oil. This would be good for gua sha too. Just gonna do a drop. That's a thick oil. Got a nice smell to it though. Very nice. Okay, now that we've gone through the bag, whoops, nothing was hurt. Now we're gonna go into the add-ons that I got with this. Really do love this bag. Okay, so first up is Ipsy Glowy Lip Oil. It's like a conditioning lip oil. Does it say anything? What the heck? Comforting lip oil locks in moisture and adds a natural shine. Formulated with a blend of nourishing botanicals, smoothing with a dewy finish. Use as needed. Thank God I have a magnifying glass. So I wonder if this is a color or if it's just, I think it's just clear. Is that what it says? It says Glowy Lip Oil Minty. It's a roll-on. It is very minty. Now I got that all red. Whoops. I gotta wipe it off. I like it. It is a nice minty, really nice minty scent. Okay, and then we have, I happen to have thinning hair, like very thinning hair, I'm sure from all the years of perms that I used to get. So I use anything I can find that says it adds volume. So this is Paradox Thickening Volume Blow Dry Hairspray for thicker, fuller looking hair. And you know, like I tell you every week or every month, I only buy what's under $10 or $10 and under. That's what I do. I don't know if it's a spray or if it's like whipped. Seems like somebody already had this because it was open. And so it's 3.38 fluid ounces. So that's nice. Even if it's just a mini deluxe, that'll last a while. Then we have, what is it called again? First Aid Beauty Hydrating Gel Dewy Gel Cream with hyaluronic acid and ceramides. So that is what that is. Oh my god, a lot came out. I'll just use it on my hands. It's very smooth. First Aid Beauty is really a good brand. A good affordable brand. There are some expensive things, but they're by far a good brand to have. And then this, I couldn't believe it was under $10. It's Christoph Robinson's Hydrating Leave-In Mist with aloe vera. I've paid full price for this, and I want to say it's close to $30. And it was only like $7.99. And what I do with this is I have a lot of product in my hair. I don't know if you can tell, because my hair is flat. So when I keep it short like this, I take a thickening spray and I just kind of like, I don't know, poof it up. And then the next day when it's not doing, you know, what it was, I'll spray in the leave-in conditioner and it's like starting it all over. And then it still looks as good, if not better, than the day before. So this is a great product. It says perfectly detangled and shiny hair. That is not what I use it for. Then we have from Ipsy, Hello Glowy Powder. Just says Glow Powder Sweet Glow. I think Ipsy Beauty is just such a cute little brand. So there it is. That is a nice powder. Wow. Give your under eyes, or can you see it? It's right here. Yeah, now you can see it. Do it like under your eyes, or even just to give your face a glow. That's really cute. I like that. And one of my favorite brands, Bella Pierre Precious, has a purifying milky cleanser, 24 karat gold, or 24 carats, I don't know why it says that. Jojoba oil, sunflower oil, vitamin A, B, C, and E, and botanical extracts. I don't know if I can read this. Bella Pierre Precious 24 karat purifying milky cleanser is a smoothing, all-natural formula that includes ultra-fine 24 karat gold powder, nourishing vitamins, oils, and botanical extracts that work to improve impurities and leave your skin exceptionally well cleansed and renewed. Yeah, if you can get this on sale, get it, because it's some good stuff. Okay, and then we have a little bag in here. This one I had to get. It's a gua sha tool. And we go up here, here, here. It's great. If you would like to see a gua sha video, let me know so I can do one with you and show you how really easy and how it makes you feel so good after you do it. And then I just thought this was really cute to put on my keychain. It's a little mini glam bag. I think it's adorable. Just says glam on the front. I think it was like $2. And finally, Hocus Pocus Ice Cube Roller in Peach. Okay, so there's what it is. Do you fill it or what? Okay, let's read. Okay, this ice roller is a handheld device that has water and gel-filled rolling head that can be effectively frozen in the freezer. It can be used at any place, anytime to release pain and discomfort instantly. Ice roller can also be used daily to revitalize, refresh, and rejuvenate skin. It's a simple and easy device that makes your life convenient without melting ice. Ice roller is at home, whatever. No, what does it say? Keep the ice roller in the freezer at all times and enjoy the cooling and calming massage effects on your face and body. Do not heat the device. So that's kind of cool. I do it, but I already have makeup on. It does feel heavy in there. So I think I'll put it in the freezer and give it a try later. So thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it. If you would consider subscribing, that would help my channel out a lot. They're making changes in how to get monetized on YouTube, and so I need all the subscribers that I can get. And like I said, every time we hit 100, all the way up to 1,000, I will be I'll have a giveaway. And believe me, it'll be good because I have a lot of good stuff. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.